So now that we've got this off, we're gonna see what's inside the front trunk. And the dealer told us that there is a surprise in there for us, so let's see what's in there. Okay, now we're gonna just pull this little handle here, get this open. Okay, so the first thing we got in here is the bag for the cover. Put this in here. Thank you. Nice little Lamborghini logo, good material. Very nice. So now we have these really nice seat covers. It's the same material as the car cover and the bag. It has the Lamborghini logo on it, really good material. And of course, it comes with the matching passenger seat cover. Like so. So these are really good quality. Now we have this bag. Has the little Lamborghini logo on it. So you open up the front pouch, has all these manuals, the owner's manual, warranty book stuff. Then in here, okay, so now we're gonna open this up. Okay, so open this on up. Here we have a Phillips screwdriver, but you can also convert it into a standard screwdriver. Then it also comes with this flat extension. Now we have a wrench. This also comes with a wrench, 10 millimeter, 13 millimeter. And it also comes with this fuse puller. This little fuse puller. Okay. So now on here, we have these white gloves to work on a car with, which doesn't really make sense because they'll probably get dirty, but can change tires, be a mechanic, you know. Okay, so now here we have the tire inflator and the air compressor right here, just in case you ever get a flat tire. But because this is a Lamborghini, if we ever get a flat tire, we're probably just gonna call the truck. So before I get to this, I'm gonna show you guys everything else. This is an air pressure gauge to check the air in the tires. And as you can see, it's never been used. It has the Lamborghini symbol on it. Now we have this tow hook. So now this car comes with the center lock wheel options. So you would pop this in this side and take about a 4-foot bar, put it in, and then take the wheel off. And then it comes with this thingy, and comes the symbol on it, Lamborghini. This goes around the steering wheel. Last but not least, this is probably the surprise that the dealer was telling us about. Comes with the card, welcome to the Lamborghini family. And that is probably something I should leave for my older sister.
Hi guys, how's everyone doing? We have a card that says, welcome to the Lamborghini family. We hope this brings you and your loved ones as much excitement as we had creating it for you. Grazie Lamborghini. This is a really nice bag. Has the Lamborghini name on it with the symbol. Since 1968, it's vibrant. Again, Lamborghini and the symbol. And they gave us a bottle of Tarami Umbria red wine. This actually is really cool right here. It's the symbol, but it's lifted, almost like a 3D effect. And it's a 2015 Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go have a glass of this right now, with the exception of my little sister.
So while she goes and enjoys a glass of wine, at least I'm old enough to give you guys a cold start of the car. And if it wasn't raining, I'd take it for a spin, but we're gonna save that for another day. All right, start it up. We're gonna lift this up, step on the brake, and push it down. So I hope you guys enjoyed that cold start. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to comment and like, and no matter what car I drive, I still love this one behind me, so make sure to go check out the other video of us getting that car. Thanks for watching.